In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove, replace, or add RAM to an HP laptop. Now, this particular model is one of the most difficult laptops that I've had the pleasure of disassembling, and they all come apart with screws and tabs, but in this case, the screws were hidden underneath this rubber strip, and so I went back in and marked with Sharpie once I found them. And I like to use a little piece of plastic, a thin piece of plastic, to carefully wedge in underneath the bottom housing and separate it and disconnect those tabs all the way along. But the hardest part was finding the screws. Once you have the first 3 obvious screws, then you can get the 4 corners, and you must lift the rubber, like there. There's one of the screws, and so there's one in each of the corners. These ones are a little bit farther back. Okay, and then in the front there's only one. I thought there would be a complement to make it symmetrical, but there's not. And in the back, there are 2 almost evenly spaced toward the center of the computer. And once you've made your way around the entire perimeter of the computer, letting all the snaps go. Oh, and I found that the back near the hinge was the hardest part to release. Then you'll be able to remove. Oh, also I forgot to mention, this screw right here, as soon as that is out, you can slide out the optical drive, the disk drive, and that's just easy, and you have to do that before you can pull the back off, because the back actually comes in front and behind the drive. So we'll go ahead and pull this off. Now that the laptop is opened up, you can find the RAM and release it by clicking both tabs out like that, and it just freely comes out. The RAM is reinstalled. It only fits in one way because of that tab, and just push down and the 2 locks on the other side automatically click in.